students, I'm your English faculty, Ms. Shashwat sitting in front of you. So dear students, this is English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka, and yours, same concept going on, topic also same. It is about your now. Let's start. Follow the attachment paper, question number 7. Question 7. The Interact Club of ABC Public School recently organized NISED. That is A, pronunciation A. Voluntary blood donation, full stop. The Interact Club of ABC Public School recently organized a voluntary blood donation, full stop. The event was an initiative of the Rotary Club of the League. As a part of the drive, the students took out a rally in the vicinity of the school. Now, online test worksheets. This is online test. So, these are all I have collected through internet. You should be very conscious whenever you are learning and making the notes. If any doubt, any confusion, you can't understand, immediately through these online classes, I told you several times, so many dear good students, they came and they had checked their notebooks regarding all subjects. So you have to do in this way. Update yourself always. Don't make anything pending. Pending work should not be there now. Everything update. Update yourself and update your all notes and all previous materials also. Continuous study. So that there should be no doubt at all. If any doubt, reach to me, clear your doubt. That's very important, student. So test online test through based on worksheet. I'm telling now, you will also think, though you are far away from me, but through online, I will ask you question, you will think, and then you will also think about the answer, and immediately I will tell you the answer. Attachment, I think I have already sent you. Please go through it. Number 1, give me the money. I owe you. O-W-E means I owe you. Means I want it from you. I owe. O-W-E. I owe you. Full stop. Give me dash money. I owe you. Already answer I have told you. One option given here, which? Another option given here, the. So the correct one in online test, what happened? Like computerized online test. So many schools in India nowadays through online teaching they are doing very good. You should also learn all these things. Student means you should have all around knowledge. So we have to click that one, the correct one. So here we will click which one? The. Whenever you will open my attachment, you see with my attachment, you will see just like the computerized way I have given you the attachment so that you can understand what I am telling to you. Give me the money. I clicked on the. That is the correct one. Give me the money. I owe you. Number 2. I want dash boat. B-O-A-T. Which would take me to the island. I-S. S is silent. I-S-L-A-N-D full stop. Option T-H-O-A-C. Option A. I want a boat. Which should take me to the island. Next one. Test going on. Number 3. Dash pen is not working properly. One option is my, one option our. My pen is not working properly. Next, number 4. I love dash book. T-H-I-S. This book. So here option given T-H-E-A-C THIS. Correct one is THIS. I love this THIS book. Number 5. Dash qualifications do you have? Note of interrogation. Dash qualifications do you have? Note of interrogation. Option WHICH, WHAT. Correct answer what? Qualifications do you have? Note of interrogation. Number 6. Dash people do not care about their hygiene. HYGIENE. Full stop. Option given here. Little, LITTLE. Another one, MANY, many. Correct option, many. Many people do not care about their hygiene. Number 7. Could you pour, P-O-U-R, pour me dash water, please? Note of interrogation. Could you pour me dash water, please? Note of interrogation also, because could you pour me? Option FEW, few, SOME, some. So here, could you pour me some water, please? Number 8. Only dash employee, EMPLOYEE, new, KNEW. How important the project was? Only a few employees knew how important the project was. 9. Dash determination is needed to fulfill FUL, very confusing word. In English there are so many list of confusing words regarding spelling. This is one of the very important word, fulfill. Maximum students, maximum people, they make mistake. So that doesn't matter, we should be correct always. FUL, single L. A5, double L, LL. FUL, single L. A5, LL, double L. So FUL, A5, double L, fulfill. Dash determination is needed to fulfill the target. Here option most, another one much, MUCH. So your correct option is MUCH. Much determination is needed to fulfill the target. Next, number 10. Dash dress did you get for her birthday? Note of interrogation. Dash dress did you get for her birthday? Note of interrogation. Here one option given WHAT, what? Another option given WHICH. So dear student, correct option is which dress did you get for her birthday? Which dress did you get for her birthday? Now, online worksheets. Let me start another very interesting topic. That one I have written on the board. Check it. Worksheets on adverbs. 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 Well, student, come to the point. Test online going on. Worksheets on adverbs. Number 1. See. My grandfather wax, WALKS, wax, extremely slowly, full stop. The adverb extremely modifies. Option given here. Modifies to whom? Verb, adverb, noun. Sentence once more I am reading. Follow your attachment. If you don't get, today I will send obviously this new attachment and you will make the notes. My grandfather walks, walks, extremely slowly. The adverb extremely modifies. Extremely modifies. Here all options given here, you see that one. Verb, adverb, noun. My grandfather walks extremely slowly. The adverb extremely, this word extremely, this word here actually modifies to whom? To adverb. Number 2. Your roommate drives quite fast. Doesn't she? Does not she? Note of interrogation. The adverb quite, Quite, modifies verb, adjective, adverb. Correct answer, adverb. Number 3. We rarely, R-A-R-E-L-Y, we rarely go to the movies on the weekends. The adverb rarely, R-A-R-E-L-Y, modifies adverb, option given, adverb, pronoun, verb. Here answer is verb. Next one, number 4. Our house is practically on the highway. The adverb practically modifies option given, sentence, prepositional phrase, verb. Correct answer is prepositional phrase. Number 5. Obviously. I could be wrong. The adverb obviously modifies. Option given here. Verb, pronoun, clause. So here the correct answer is clause. C-L-A-U-S-E. So these are all covering your full test online worksheets on different topics. More and more through internet I will collect and obviously I will serve you, and after my serving to you, you will save it and you will make the notes, you will write everything in the notebook so that you will never ever forget throughout your life. Read grammar in this way. If you like it, share, subscribe, help other society people also to get through it. And all the best to you all. Thank you.